Clothing waste is a massive problem worldwide. About 92 million tons of clothes are thrown away each year, so a more environmentally friendly approach to fashion is urgently needed. One promising solution is the practice of upcycling. This is the creation of new fashion items using fabric from clothing that would otherwise be discarded. It's not a new idea. People in Japan's Tohoku region started doing essentially the same thing about 400 years ago. They reused good fabric taken from old clothes by weaving it to make new garments. Clothing made by this method is called Sakiori. Sakiori originally referred to regular clothes worn every day. You could say it was the fabric of everyday life. People who had nothing clothed their families using just ingenuity and effort. Modern Sakiori artisans use the technique to create items in a wide variety of designs and colors, and they have expanded beyond just clothing. In a recent development, collaborations with major apparel and footwear brands have given us products using Sakiori fabric. A notable feature of this Sakiori workshop is that it employs mostly people with disabilities. Each part of the process is performed by a specialist in that technique. The most rewarding thing is when I see a finished product that I wove part of myself. I love knowing that an item from a famous brand contains something that I've made. In Harajuku, Tokyo's center of youth fashion, there's a spot where anyone can try upcycling. The raw materials are all items discarded because they didn't sell or rejected for minor flaws. Upcycling is great fun for pros and amateurs alike. What did the designers have in mind? What was their brand story? When we upcycle, we're reinterpreting this to create something new that still contains the spirit of the original product. Here, an ordinary piece of sportswear has been upcycled into a cute dress by the addition of pink fabric. The material for the translucent lower part of this dress came from a plastic umbrella. Quite sophisticated designs can be made from scrap items. One workshop set out to promote upcycling using dress-up dolls. Participants brought their own fabric and learned how to craft it into new fashions for the dolls. I kept this dress my granddaughter wore when she was 2. We'll use it today. A doll's dress reuses only a tiny amount of the original material, but the goal is to show children how fun upcycling can be.
Okay.
With just a little skill and ingenuity, it turns out anyone can produce delightful items like these. It was quite tricky at first, but I managed to do it. I definitely want to try more of this. The organisers of the workshop have produced many kinds of events to promote upcycling, including fashion shows. Unwanted clothing transformed into fashionable new items. Japan, with its love of fashion and passion for crafts, has taken upcycling to its heart.